Sets. Operations on sets. Number one, union of two sets. Number two, intersection of two sets. Number three, overlapping sets. And number four, disjoint sets. Number one, union of two sets. The union of two sets A and B is the set consisting of all elements which belong to either A or B or both. It is denoted by A, then the union symbol, and then B. In the example here, you can see in set A, the elements are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And in set B, the elements are 3, then 4, then 5, then 6, and then 7. According to the definition, here you can see all elements which belong to either A or B or both. We have to write. So all the elements of set A and B we have to write, excluding the same element. The same element will be written only one time. So here you can see in the set A, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 was there. So I have written 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here in set B, 3, 4, 5 are common. So 3, 4, 5 is already written here. Then 6 and 7. 6 and 7 I have written. So A union B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now question number 2, X is equal to A, B, C and D. And Y is equal to A, D, E, F. So all the elements we have to write. So A, B, X union Y is equal to A, B, C, D, and then E and F. Number 2, intersection of two sets. The intersection of two sets A and B is the set consisting of all elements which belong to both A and B. It is denoted by intersection symbol is given there and B. Example, A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. B is equal to 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now A intersection B is equal to 4, 5. So in set A and B, which numbers are common? 4 and 5 are common. So the common numbers we are going to write in intersection of two sets. So we are writing here 4 and 5. Now follow the question number 2. X is equal to A, B and C. And Y is equal to C, D, E, F. Now here, which letter is common? So here you can see C is common in X and Y. So X intersection Y is equal to C. Overlapping sets. Two sets are called overlapping or joint if they have at least one element in common. If two sets A and B are overlapping sets, then A intersection B not null. Follow the example. A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 and B is equal to 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So here A and B are overlapping sets. Why? Because the element 5, here you can see in set A element 5 is there and in set B element 5 is there, because the element 5 is common in both the sets. If here in set A and set B If any common are there, that means it is overlapping sets. Question number 2, X comma A, B, C, D, E. Y is equal to D, E, F, G, H. So here also you can see common letters are there. D and E is common letters. D and E here also. So X and Y are overlapping sets. X and Y are overlapping sets because the elements D and E are common in both the sets. Disjoint sets. Two sets are called disjoint if they have no elements in common. If two sets A and B are disjoint sets, then A intersection B equal to null. A intersection B equal to null. Example, question number 1, A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. B is equal to 7, 9, 11, 12, 13. So here A and B are disjoint sets because they have no elements in common. Here in set A and in set B, not a single elements are matching. So no elements is common. So that's why A intersection B is equal to null. Question number 2, X is equal to A, B, C, D. Y is equal to K, L, M, N. X and Y are disjoint sets because they have no elements in common. That is X intersection Y equal to null. Now, one example is there. If A is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, B is equal to 3, 6, 9, 12, and C is equal to 4, 8, 12, then find A union B. Roman number 1. Roman number 2, A union C. Roman number 3, A intersection B. Roman number 4, B intersection C. Roman number 5, A union B union C. And Roman number 6, A intersection B intersection C. So Roman number 1 first. First, in the question it is given A union B. So the A value we have to write. So A value we have written A is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Then B is there in the question. So B is equal to 3, 6, 9, 12. Here in the question you can see 3, 6, 9, 12 it is given. Then A union B. So in union what? All the elements we have to write. Okay. So from here we have taken 2. Then 3 is there. Then 4, 6, 8. Then 9 is there. 10 and 12. So all the elements we have written. So A union B is 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12. Roman number 2, A union C. So here also value of A you have to write. So value of A is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. I have written 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Union symbol you have to give. Then the value of C you have to write. The value of C is 4, 8, 12. 4, 8, 12 I have written. Now between these two, all the elements you have to write. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and 12. Roman number 3, A intersection B. So value of A first you have to write. The value of A is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 intersection. Value of B you have to write 3, 6, 9, 12. Now between A and B, you have to find the common numbers. So common number is here 6 is common between both the sets. So you are writing 6 answer. Now B intersection C, you have to write the set B's value 3, 6, 9, 12. Then intersection 4, 8, 12 between B and C. Any numbers are common, so elements are common, so 12 is common, so you are writing 12 as an answer. Roman number 5. Roman number 5, here you can see the question. A union B union C. A union B is in a bracket. So first I am writing A union B, answer you will get from here. Here in Roman number 1, A union B answer 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12. So I have written here 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12. And C value is how much? C value is 4, 8, 12. Okay. And you have to write the union. That means you have to write all the numbers. So all the numbers are 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10 and 12. Why? Because 4 is here also and here also. In this set and this set also 4 is there. 8 is also common and 12 is also common. So the same numbers are we are writing 2, 4, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12. Now Roman number 6. A intersection open bracket B intersection C close bracket. Now the value of A first you have to write. The sets A elements you have to write 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Here you can see 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So that I have written here. Then intersection symbol. Now B intersection C. So B intersection C value we have get in Roman number 4. So what was the answer? 12. So I have written here 12. Now in intersection we have to see the common numbers. So in A there is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and here in B intersection C there is 12. So this set and this set, anything are common? Nothing is common there. So writing answer as a null. Thank you.